In this video, we're going to create an AP bill from the purchase receipt screen. We start by opening the relevant purchase receipt document and clicking on the Enter AP Bill button. This takes us to the Bills and Adjustments screen where the information from the purchase receipt has been copied into the AP bill. Notice how the supplier has been set, the terms and due dates have been copied based on the information on the supplier, our invoice date and post period has also been set. Next, we'll add a supplier reference which normally comes from the supplier's invoice. Then we'll review the details on the lines and notice that the quantities have been set and the unit costs. This all totals up to the information in the header. We can see we've got a taxable total, GST amount, and the GST inclusive amount. Next, we'll save this bill. And notice it's generated the next number sequence. We also have these additional tabs. Here, we have financial information about this bill, calculated taxes, any calculated discounts, or any applied documents would be listed in this tab. Next, we're going to look at the More menu where we can remove hold. We have other options that aren't available at the moment, and we can also run some reports. Next, we will remove the hold, and we will save it again. Once that's complete, we can go ahead and release this invoice by clicking the Release button. This will move the status from balanced to open balance, meaning this document is unreleased. Open meaning it's unpaid. Once we release the bill, we can go over to the Financial tab and we'll notice that the batch number has been generated, which is the batch number linking to the general ledger transaction. Also note, there are a few actions that have become available now like pay, reverse, or reclassify GL batch. We cover additional MYOB advanced workflows in other videos.